guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Giselle. You can call me Giselle for short, whatever your preference is. So today, guys, I'm gonna go to the gym. Yeah, I'm going to the gym today. I haven't been to the gym in a very long time, honey. Very long time. So yeah, so I thought I'd hit up the gym because I want to start like this weight journey of mine. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me. Hopefully you guys, you know, for all my skinny mini girls out there, you know, I'm trying to gain a booty, but we need to get the basics down first. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. But first, I'm going to be dropping off this package. This is a Alizé giveaway package for Tiana Lachey. Congratulations, girl, again for winning the giveaway. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to the post office, drop this package off for her, and then I'm gonna be hitting the gym. I'm so excited. I'm kind of scared at the same time because, you know, your girl ain't work out in a minute, so, you know, and I'm a little scared. But yeah, let's get to it. So just made it back to the cribbo after dropping off the package. I got some ice cream for me and Nolan, but I'm not eating it in here because I got my car detailed, and you guys will see a video on that pretty soon. So yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Picked up some food, but yeah, we're gonna get out of here because I do not need to waste anything in my car. Hell no, we're not doing that. 2020, we staying clean, period. Okay, y'all, so I got my workout clothes on. We finna get this workout in, baby boo. That's one, period. Let's get it. So made it to the gym. This is my fitness center at my apartment. So I'm gonna get this workout in. Put you guys on the stand. Put your mask on. Put it on. Finished 20 minutes on this little machine right here. I'm gonna move on to something else. I'm all sweaty and shit. I look disgusting, but on to the next equipment. doing my workout. Gonna go home, cook. Where my keys at? Where my keys? Oh, y'all, I am so tired. Okay, I'm so freaking tired. Just made it back to the crib. I'm gonna make some food. I kind of want to be on the more healthier side, so I'm gonna make some chicken, black beans, and some rice. Something a little healthy, you know what I'm saying? A little healthy. But yeah, I'm gonna let my chicken marinate while I go take a shower and stuff, freshen up. But I have like this really big thing of chicken, so I'm gonna take a few pieces out of here because I don't need all of them. It's just me and Nolan, you know. So let me see. Is it still frozen? I don't think it is. These pieces of chicken are thick, honey. I think they may be a little frozen still. Let's see. Ooh, I gotta let them thaw out good enough. I guess not. It's okay. Ooh. I'm gonna take them out the pack anyways. Oh, I need to wash my hands. I just came out the shower. I'm all fresh and clean now. Nolan's in the bath right now taking a little kitty bath, you know what I'm saying. And looking for some oil. Where I put my oil at? Oh shit, I gotta make rice and everything else. Okay, guys, so my food is done. I'm gonna pour me a glass of wine. This shit is smack. I'm so glad I added that sauce. This is what it look like. No gravy, no nothing. This fucking chicken is smack. Clearly. But no, your plate's over there, baby. But basically, I'm just trying to make sure that I eat better and I'm not eating out as much. I want to have a strict diet of protein, rice, and some type of veggie. At least every day. Your plate's over there. Look, let me show you. There you go. What are you saying? But y'all, this food is so fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed you know, me working out. This was my first time working out in 2020, which is crazy to say. It's gonna be a journey. You know, we're really trying to do this in 2020. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me get my plate together. That's one of my thumbnail. But yeah, I'm really trying to get my body together in 2020. I want abs. I want my butt to grow bigger. I want all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I want all that stuff. But I know it's going to be a very long journey. But you know what? You know, I'm here for it, you know? I have to get healthy. Like, the way I've been living is cool and all. But I can't see myself living like this forever. Just like I want to be on a strict schedule for sure. I'm just chicken. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Okay, I need to go to bed in like 30 minutes, maybe like an hour. I may go to bed at 11 because I stay up late and I wake up early, so it really don't matter. I don't need that much sleep anyways. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be doing 2 hauls, so stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next video. Say bye, Nolan.
Bye.
Say bye. See you next time.
See you next time.